Okay, good morning class, and today is the first class of your maths. I'm not along in your class, okay. Another teacher will be also there for taking your maths class, but it is the first chapter, and the first chapter is about numbers. Sorry, it's not going well. Numbers and numeration. Okay, so first we will learn about cardinal numbers, okay, and ordinal numbers. So first you can see that a boy is going to upstairs by using the stairs, right? See, this is a boy. Suppose his name is Ram. Ram is going to upstairs by using these stairs, right? So this is first stair. Okay, this is the first stair. This is second. This is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and onwards it is going on. So here you can see that this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, these are ordinal numbers. Okay, this is what? Ordinal numbers. We can write it like this also. Suppose I am writing here first F I R S T. Okay, but here I can write it like this also, 1 S T. Likewise, if I want to write second, S E C O N D, second, I can write, or we all can write it like this also. So by just after some time we will come to know all about this. Let me rub it. Yes, going to the another, just let me adjust it. Yes, see what is written over here? The staircase shown above has 9 steps. How many steps are there? 9 steps. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. While climbing up the stairs, the lowest step is number 1. The first step was number 1. Then we have step number 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Then we go to step number 9. We can call these numbers, right? These are cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, and these are like first 1. So simultaneously we can write it like this, 1 ST, second 2 ND, third 3 RD, fourth 40H. So you need to learn this properly, that how to write these numbers, and you need to learn the ordinal numbers along with their spellings. Like first 1 ST, you have to learn FIRST, SECOND, THIRD. Like this you need to learn all the things, right? So now one definition is there. Cardinal numbers are the quantity of the things. So we can say that if 9 students are there, we can easily understood that the quantity is of 9, right? Now ordinal numbers are the order of thing. Suppose it is first, it is second, it is third, it is fourth. So it is easily understood that this finger is the first, it is the position of this finger is on first, it is second, it is third, it is of fourth. One example is there for you. Example, express cardinal number and ordinal numbers for this picture. Suppose you can see yes. So the name of this boy is Amit. See, it is written over here, Amit, Garima, Neha, Naseem and Juhi. So name may be of different, but here for example they have given the names of the boy and the girls. So you can easily just say it that Amit is on first position. They all are standing, okay, but Amit is he is at first position, and the second is Garima, Neha is on third, fourth is Naseem and fifth is Juhi. It is from our top left. From top left, Amit is on first, but if we say if I take this standing position from my right position, so she will be at first. She will be at first position. Okay. So now the explanation is there. There are 5 students in a row. Yes, you can say it. 5 is cardinal number. 5 is cardinal number and first is ordinal number. 5 is of quantity and this is the position. Now the ordinal numbers are changed if we count in reverse order. Just now I explained you that if I take that from my right side, the things will be totally or sharp opposite. Okay, in that case the last ordinal number becomes the first easily. Just she is in the fifth. If I change the direction or if I take that from my sharp right side, she will be at first. Understood? And he will be at fifth. So Amit is first from the left. Just now I told you. And the ordinal numbers are changed if we count in reverse order. In that case, the last ordinal numbers become the first ordinal number. For example, if we come down the stairs down previous page, 9th step will be the first. Yes. Now I am going to show you the picture. Yes. The 6th becomes the 4th, the 5th remains as in the middle of the 1st to 9th. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you the numbers, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal numbers showing the serial number of step. 1 means first. This is the cardinal number and this is ordinal number. Second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th and last but not the least 9th. Coming back to our ordinal number, if we reverse it down, so the 9th will be first position. 9th will be in the first position and 8th will be at second. So this will happen with numbers. So you need to understand that the numbers, it is children, don't get panicked. Okay, so you will learn day by day. It's not that in one day only you have to cover all things. It is the first video. In the next video I am gonna explain you each and everything, and in live class also you will be able to understand everything. Okay, so this is for the day children. I am ending this class. Bye bye, have a nice day.